Hello, Chess 1000 fans. In this video, I'll share the steps to create a Lichess study and then entering games into the Lichess study for review. Okay, so let's get started. Right now, I'm on my Lichess homepage. And the next step is we will go to Learn and then click on the Study option. Once we are in the study option, we can click on Create Study, this plus sign on the upper right hand. All right, so we'll click there. And then for this purpose, I'll just put in Test Study. And then for simplicity, right now we'll just change one option. So visibility, there's three options: public, unlisted, and invite only. So for anything that you're creating for fun, you can put it in public. But for anything that's more for training or reviewing purposes, you can just click on invite only. So basically, this is a private study, and you can only invite, or rather, only people who's been invited and see this study. Okay, so let me get the study created. And then here we can start creating each chapters. And think about each chapters as each game. Each new game can be each new chapter in the study. Okay, all right. So here, let's say I'll put in game 1, create chapter. And then usually I tell my students whenever they're playing in-person tournament, try to start uploading the games into Lichess study as soon as possible, preferably immediately after the game. That's still fresh, but if there's not enough time, you can start entering the games after the tournament. Okay, so let me just put in a few moves. All right. So here you can have a game and then continue to enter until all the way to the end of each game. Okay, and then if you want to enter a game where you're playing black, you can simply add a new chapter. So let's put game 2, and then here you can see there's an orientation, and you can change that to black. And then for any other purposes where if you have entered the game already, but you forgot to change, that's okay. So here, let's say if test orange colors, let's say. So here, suppose we started with the orientation black, but you want to change it to white, you can simply click on this settings button and then change the orientation to white. So there's no problem there. Okay. And then just continue to add new chapters as you enter new games. One other thing I'll mention here for now, since we're entering a private study, you want to invite whether it's a coach or a friend to review, then you click on the member button, and then you can simply click on add member and add other players into the study. Okay, so hopefully this will give you a good idea of creating a study and then enter games into the study. I'll talk about other functionalities of the study in future videos. Okay, thanks for watching, and hope you are having more fun playing chess, whether it's in person or online.